to be needing 6 chili powder, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, paprika, red pepper flakes, salt, pep, Frank's Red Hot, peanut oil or vegetable oil, all-purpose flour, brown sugar, and some breadcrumbs. We're also going to need about 1 cup of buttermilk. Take some Frank's Red Hot or the hot sauce of your choice and put it in the buttermilk. Then add some ground paprika. I found some Frank's Red Hot seasoning blend at the store, so I went ahead and added that too. Then you're going to want to add about a tablespoon of salt and some cracked black pepper. Blend this up to make the marinade for your chicken. We're going to let our chicken marinate in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours, ideally overnight if you can. Season your flour with a little bit of salt and pepper. Pro tip, sprinkle in some breadcrumbs for that extra crunch. For our frying oil, we're going to want to use vegetable or peanut oil due to their high smoke point.
And the chicken and time to get my chicken out.
Heat your oil to about 350. Now it's time to dredge our chicken. Pro tip, always double dredge. That'll give us a nice, thick, crispy crust. Now lay them away from you into the hot oil. Let them fry on each side for about 7 minutes. Use whatever part of the chicken you'd like. I chose to use thighs and tenders. In a separate bowl, add paprika, cayenne powder, 6 chili powder, and pepper flakes. Add a teaspoon of brown sugar to add a little sweetness and even out the heat. Now it's time to make the sauce. Ladle out some of the hot oil into your spice mixture. Give it a nice whisk to combine all that heat. Time to get our sauce on our chicken. You can use one of those fancy little brush things, but I just like to throw it in there. In order for it to be real Nashville hot chicken, you gotta top it off with some pickles.